Welcome to ActiveCollab Workload. This is how you can enjoy a bird's eye view of all your projects. You can choose whose workload you'd like to view, whether it's one person, a few people, or entire teams. When selected, you'll see all the tasks assigned to them throughout a day, a week, and the entire month. And within each day, you can see the exact amount of time someone is spending on their assigned work. The assigned work is split into tasks. They're grouped by projects and colored differently for a better overview. Your team's days off, holidays, and weekends are easy to spot and will be automatically taken into account. With the bird's eye view, you always know what your team is working on at any given moment. Happy workloading!